What is up, you guys, and welcome to another video vlog! So for today's video, we are going to visit a very special friend. We haven't seen each other for a very long time. We will be catching up, guys. Actually, we are going to meet up with her. I hope she's not busy today. She's actually managing a family friend business. It's actually a new pizza place in Tacloban City. So let's go! Jel! Bakit excited ka?
Big Bear!
Hi! So I'm with Jelly now. Hi Jel, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm perfectly fine.
I love your camera.
I know.
Where's the other one?
I just give away ng mga subscribers. Sarot lang.
Raffle entry?
Oh my God nga, di ba? Uy, hello. Oh my God. Lumilo po kasi na ako. Ginusugat kasi niya.
Welcome to Big Bear! Can you check? Wait, super tapang. May kulog-kuro.
Another lazy afternoon. The clouds covered in gray. Third coffee of the day. Almost fell asleep on Zoom. I yawn at the display. Third meeting of the day.
Look. Sige, game. Oh my God, that looks really good. Wow.
Give me your plate.
Oh, sorry. What is this? What is this pizza? Ano yun yung pizza?
Sabi ng pagkana.
Ano yun?
What pizza is this?
What is this pizza?
So this is the double flavor of Big Bear pizza. So this is a double flavor of Big Bear pizza. We have different double flavor, but this one we have pepperoni and ham and cheese with mozzarella cheese.
Looks good.
Bon appetit.
I miss you, Jen.
Pinuod.
Charot.
Pinuod?
Dapat yung kakamot kasi. Wow. Diba? Ano swerte ba naroon? Sabi ako ng juju.
But I can hear raindrops step dancing on the roof. stay inside and type away inside. Oh, make today just a little less mundane. Oh, I can stay inside and type away inside. Oh, take today, go dancing in the rain. Hey, woo, oh, na 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 na, woo, oh, oh, na 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 na, woo, oh, na 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 na, woo, na na na, woo, na na na. Put on my rain boots, my favorite chiffon dress. I don't care today what the neighbors might say. Put on my rain boots, my favorite chiffon dress. I don't care today what the neighbors might say. Cause I could stay inside and type away inside. Oh, make today just a little less mundane. Oh, I could stay inside.
Bye!
Type away inside. Oh, take today. Oh, that's in
Bye, Jel! Message ikaw, ha? Oo. Mabubag ka sana.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye ka ni Ma'am.